A humongous waterfall! Look at that! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Look at a waterfall.
Look at it! Huh?
Look at a waterfall. This is just really getting out the pool.
We got out of the pool, bro. We were like, ah! Ah!
If you don't let go of that.
I won't. Cause it'll like be bad. Well, I can't. What?
It's not good for your colon.
Look at all that water come out. I went, bam, baby. Bam, baby. This is like very tricky, but look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the risk. Hey, this is very risky.
Yeah.
I'm getting out because I'm
Scared.
Yeah, I don't want to drop my phone because that'd be bad. Let's have some rice.
We do.
Oh, and I won that challenge though.
By 10 seconds.
So we just forgot about. I just forgot his name again.
Peter Kelly.
Clean.
Clean.
Yep, Peter Clean. Thanks for this.
K-L-E-I-N.
Yeah. So, woman, will tell them what we're gonna do later today.
You can.
We're gonna do this. What's it called?
Skit.
Skit. We're gonna do this other thing for y'all. So, we'll see you then.